Here are the 5 most powerful trucks in India.
Tata Motors introduces the power of 5 in the business of rigid trucking by launching India's first 5-axle rigid truck, LPT 3723. With a gross vehicle weight of 37 tons, this is a model that is used in very few countries across the world. And this is how it is configured. LPT 3723 will be a 10x4 truck with a steerable axle in the front and a tag lift axle in the rear. With a payload of 25 tons, this vehicle will offer 4 tons more than any other multi-axle vehicle in the market today. With refreshingly new stylized exteriors that accentuates its bold aesthetics and improved interiors as compared to conventional cabins, with an array of features that are designed to improve driver comfort, thereby increasing productivity. So, in the changing market scenario where we have seen the industry migrate to higher payloads, the LPT 3723 will be the next path-breaking solution for operators of multi-axle cargo vehicles. It is one model that offers great advantages over every other rigid truck. The lightest of trailers are preferred in many applications today due to the extra payload they provide. The LPT 3723 offers a payload which is higher than these trailers while retaining the benefits of a rigid truck. LPT 3723 is a 5-axle phenomenon that not only enhances profitability but also ensures efficiency. For example, for transporting the same load between the same source and destination, one would need 84 37-ton trucks instead of 100 31-ton trucks in a year, which increases the revenue by 20% more per truck. Plus, it also carries more load per trip, thus reducing the cost per tonne-kilometer by 5%, thus increasing the revenue by 20% per truck, and lesser cost per tonne-kilometer of 5% results in an increase in profit of over 40% for every truck. Thus, investment on the truck can be recovered faster in a 37-ton truck as opposed to a 31-ton truck. At a fleet level, the total return on a 37-ton fleet will be over 30% higher than that on a 31-ton fleet for the same amount of work over a 5-year horizon. Suitable for transport of cement, steel and heavy containers, the LPT 3723 is set to significantly drive down the cost of transportation of key raw materials. So, let's take the journey ahead and empower our business with LPT 3723, the power of 5.
The Eicher Pro 6000 series of next generation trucks, haulage, tippers and tractors are designed and developed to deliver higher productivity through best-in-class fuel efficiency, more uptime and faster turnaround time. And the performance of the trucks on the Indian roads today proves that the Eicher Pro 6000 series delivers on its promise. Many prestigious and professional fleet owners are already experiencing the benefits in their business. The The Aisha Pro 6000 series of next generation heavy duty trucks deliver maximum lifetime profitability, which will ultimately lead to prosperity in business and in the life of all stakeholders.
One.